Welcome to Antigua. To head up the hill, about 350 steps, 330 some steps. I hope so. So here we go.
So yeah, there are 332 steps that we are going to take. These are steps that we are taking right now. You go up to the lookout. What are we going to be looking at? I'm not sure. We'll see yet there. Apparently it's worth it. So.
No. I just filmed the two of you filming each other filming.
Oh my god!
So we made it. We're at the top of the hill.
This isn't the top yet, is it?
Well,
is this the top? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. I mean, there's a little bit more, a little bit higher, but
best view right here.
Made it to the lookout.
It's Antigua. What?
I didn't have it going yet.
Okay, ready? Uno, dos, tres. Mierda. Ahí está Antigua.
Antigua is not even the real name of the town, okay? The real name of Antigua is Santiago de Guatemala, by the town of St. James. Antigua, or the town of St. James, was the second official town founded by the Spanish people. The first one was on the slopes of Agua volcano. We call that volcano Agua. I have been to the top of that volcano twice in my life. You know, once you reach the top, you look back and you see a blue line at the end. That is the Pacific Ocean.
Drone fight. We got three.
I know, I said we should do drone wars.
Drone wars. Gotta do a bunch of poses.
Are you recording? He always does that to me, doesn't he?
I do that all the time.
I'm thinking he's getting
We are gathered here today. Do you take this man? Hey, that's too fast.
Seriously, this is adorable. I kind of feel like this should happen. I feel like a model. Alright, so we are headed to... We get some free time, so we're gonna go into Antigua after we had a walking tour with our new friend Diego.
who is from Antigua. And so now before we go to a nice dinner that will be gone for, I guess, hours tonight, we're gonna get some free time to just go explore the city and, you know, get souvenirs if we'd like, take pictures. So yeah, we're gonna get ourselves ready and go. Oh, and eat lunch because we're all very hungry, so.
Oh, it's a video. Oh, now it's a video.
These are our new friends here that we've met in Guatemala. From all, sort of, yeah, half of them, all over the world, kind of. Okay. Of course you know Jason.
Oh, Fabi from Tiny Glove Charter. Oh, hi, I'm Romina, Red Romina.
This is our waiter. Mesero. Angela. Y Sara. And we are eating at...
We're about to have lunch at La Fonda de la Calle Real.
Gracias. And this is our meal, which, what was the name of the pepillan?
Pepillan.
Pepillan.
Pepillan de pollo.
De pollo. Stuffed bell pepper, right?
Yes. Stuffed red bell pepper with tortillas.
So good.
Ooh, nice.
Just admiring the beauty of Antigua. What are we doing? Hazon?
Wandering around the streets of Antigua in Guatemala. Getting some pictures, some video, seeing the sights, smelling the smells, hearing the sound.
Streets of Antigua in Guatemala con Owly. How does it make you feel just being in Guatemala? Like the country itself?
It seems like the people here are much more open and friendly. I'm noticing walking around that people are sitting on benches just like holding each other and hugging, and it's a lot more warm and open and affectionate. Here it's just more laid back, and people are more about like being fun and having fun.
I love supporting street performers because that's how they make their living, and they're so talented, so why not? And we enjoy it, and we get pictures and videos, and so I feel like it's only fair, it's only right.
Alright, nerd fact.
Nerd fact!
Antigua is a UNESCO... Nerd fact. Antigua is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yeah, as of like 1979, I believe. Check it. Might be wrong.
But it's still a fact.
It's still a fact. It is a UNESCO World... Come on! It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I might be wrong. Are you serious? What's with all these stupid loud bikes? It is a World Heritage Site. I think it was 1979. I could be wrong. Check it.
make it.